Yeah, this Krome Ave right here, guys. Near the golf course. The golf course is flooded. No more golf. No, mira eso. Vaya. No more golf, guys. That's it. Are you rich folks? It's time to build now. Rebuild. But you know what? Aloha Tikis. They don't take the tikis. Our tikis are hurricane proof. Remember that. Aloha Tiki. If you ever need a tiki, my dad builds them. And they're hurricane proof. This one, the leaves didn't even come off. That's crazy. It's normal to lose the leaves, but the structure always stays. Look, these are all our tikis right here too. That's one of our tikis, I believe. Still there. The fence came down though. That's not our fence though. This is Krome Avenue, guys. Past 248th Street. Damn, these trees are just bent out of shape. They ain't even fall, but they're bent. Sorry if I'm driving too fast, guys. I'm trying to get to my grandmother's house. See if she's alright. Homestead. Look, be careful with this power line. Look at this power line. This is dangerous. That's dangerous right there. This power line. Alright, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.